Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to slow down video clips in DaVinci Resolve 19. Now, as you can see here in DaVinci Resolve 19 on my timeline, I have a video clip here, guys. I'm going to play it so that you can see it's just a guy riding a bike. And I'm going to show you how to speed up and even how to slow it down, right? So you learn both things in one. So what you want to do, you want to find where you want to, let's say, slow down the clip. And you just want to position it on your timeline. So let's say I want to do it here and I need to split it. So in order to split this particular section of the clip, I'm going to press Ctrl and B to split it there, and I'm going to find the next part that I want to slow down. So let's say I want to do it right here. I'm going to go ahead again and press Ctrl B. And for the first part, I'm going to speed up this one. So all you have to do, guys, you can easily go ahead and click on inspect. You want to select this section of the clip that you have here, and you can click on the inspect section at the top right, and you'll be able to find change speed. So you can simply click change speed. You can click here and you can just scroll down a bit and you can change the speed. So in order to change the speed of this part of the clip, you want to click in this section here where you have the numbers and drag it towards the right. So anything over 100% will basically make the clip faster. And as you can see, it is going faster, so I can make it to about 200% or whatever. So you get the idea. So if I play this, have a look, you can see it's much faster, right, than what it normally is. So the guy is riding. I can make it even faster, right? So I can continue to about 300% so that you can see. So let's see here, it's faster, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to find a section here where I need to slow down the clip. So this one here, another way you can do it is by selecting or clicking the clip that you want to slow down, and you can right click in that, and here you will find in the option where it says change clip speed. You can click on that as well, and you have the same option here. You have the 100%, and you anything less than 100% is basically making slowing. So you can just simply check the box that says ripple timeline, right? And you can just simply drag that towards the left hand side to make it slower. So I'm gonna make it, let's say, about 50%, and then click and change, and you will see now. So if I go back to the fast clip, then you're gonna see the slow clip, and you see that it slowed down this one, right? And then go back to what it was before. As you can see, before that was the original speed, and so forth. So that's it, guys. That's how you basically change the clip speed to make it slower. And of course, you learn how to make it faster as well in DaVinci Resolve. Two ways you can go about doing that. Very easy and very simple.